Some parts of design no one ever applauds. No one claps for naming your layers or double checking your scale bars. No one sees the hours you spend lining up floor plans to sections, or how long you debated one door swing. But here is the truth: these small, quiet decisions, the ones that go unnoticed, they are what hold everything together. The discipline of drawing isn't always beautiful. Sometimes it's repetitive, boring, or invisible. But it's in those repetitive strokes that a designer builds their skill, their identity, their standard. You don't get a standing ovation for aligning layout great, but you will get peace of mind when everything clicks, clean, clear, and confident. And that's the part that matters most. If this spoke to the part of you that keeps going even when no one's watching, you are my kind of designer. Subscribe, stay curious, and let's keep creating with intention.